Okay, so this should be the screen that you were showing me that I didn't recognize before. And right here in the bottom right corner, it said processing. It's now gone away, so it says it's done processing. So what I'm going to do, so bear with me because I've never done this before. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to save and exit. Okay, because right now that we're in kind of an editor where we can add slides or we can edit the slides that are here. And this came directly from that PDF file that you sent me. So I'm going to save and exit, which is going to take me back to my Nearpod library. Finding a new way to teach Nearpod lessons with video. Okay, well that's nice. Got it, thanks. So now I'm going to scroll down. Here is that lesson, the Nearpod lesson. And if I wanted to do a student-paced lesson, I think that's what we want. Live participation, I think you have to be in class for. So you would go to the student-paced lesson. And they would join with that code. You can also send them a link to it. You would copy this link and you could put that probably in your Google Classroom, or you can share directly to Google Classroom here. Require student submissions. I might turn that on and it'll give me how long it's valid for. Oh, 29 days remain. Okay. I think because this right here, the valid from August 28th until September 27th, I think that's only because we only get the student-paced lessons part of the paid version of Nearpod. And right now we're getting the paid version of Nearpod for free because Nearpod kind of understands the position everyone is in. So we'll see what happens after September 27th. But that's what you're going to do with that. Okay? All right. Let me know.